F1 memes, F1 gossips, and we have too many topics that we need to unpack. We decided to dedicate a new segment which we call the Meme Podium. So our first topic, our favorite
memes. Because we have so many memes that we shared with each other during after the race.
Correct.
During the week. So what's your
Ako is yung kay Kimi Antonelli, lose Italian citizenship. F1 breaking. Kasi nga binangga niya si Leclerc. Mas mahal ng Italian si
Yes,
Leclerc.
because Leclerc is the Italian Jesus.
Talaga naman.
Statement niya talaga.
Exactly.
Hindi, pag nakita niya, tingnan niya sa Monza, may mga poster na picture ni Leclerc na nakagano.
May mundo.
So, mas pinaprioritize nila si Leclerc kaysa sa Italian.
Kawawa naman yung
Eh,
bata.
si Ferrari is the Italian team. Siya Mercedes siya. So, sorry, Kimi.
Okay, that makes sense. So, anyhow, ikaw, girl, anong favorite, mo?
Another Ferrari meme, which I can relate because of the double DNF. Top 3 richest people in the world. So, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos of Amazon, and whoever is Leclerc and a Hamilton psychologist.
Actually, nakakatawa yan.
Tawa ko ng tawa nung nakita ko yan.
Isama na nila yung lahat ng mga defaults na kailangan ng
Yumaman na lang sila dahil.
True naman yan.
I need an appointment because it's a double DNF Ferrari this week.
Hindi lang yun, ever since nagsimula.
Buong year yan.
Buong season.
Correct.
Kay Leclerc, hindi lang year. How many years?
Ever since. Sorry naman.
Girl.
Sa akin, ang favorite ko is yung mga memes about yung photoshoot ni Leclerc nung na-DNF
Of
siya.
course. Ang
It's
dami
funny.
nun
Oo. Kasi at the same time, ang gwapo ng mama!
Ang gwapo niya talaga.
Talagang,
He knows what he's doing. He's serving
Yung
the
mga pag-ganon-ganon.
At saka nandun yung photographer niya rin mismo.
talaga?
Yeah.
So may sarili siyang photographer?
Meron siyang photographer. Friend niya actually. Part ng
Ah,
entourage.
okay.
Hindi ko
Part
alam
ng
yun eh.
entourage niya. Yung photographer niya.
Talagang talagang doon.
He's serving the loan. So, wala siyang magawa. Hindi siya makaalis doon.
Yun din naman yung pinost niya sa Instagram.
Kasi sabi ko
He's trying to watch the race. Ang sinasabi ng mga tao, yung reaction, saan niya daw nakuha yung phone?
Ayun o, may ganun ka.
Pero kasi andun yung photographer.
Dinala sa
Or,
kanya. Kasi may phone, may din siya, may
or baka
kausap
nang
siya.
kinap Hindi, he's trying to watch the race.
There you go. Those are our 3 favorite memes for the race. So, our next topic is, ito favorite ko.
Gusto ni Ben na
Ito yung mga gusto ko talaga.
Alam, mga chika.
Mga chismis talaga, mga chika minutes.
Chika
So,
minute.
on our first episode, someone, or I think you did mention about the Lando and Maggie love story. So, anong
The
chismis
newest
doon?
couple in F1.
Are they the newest couple? Yeah, oo nga. Siguro.
The newest. I think so.
Yeah.
Kasi yung ibang mga...
Pero matagal na silang sort of dating. Hindi lang nila kino-confirm.
So, ano nga yung controversy?
Kasi nga marami nga chika kay girl.
Anong pangalan ng
Si Maggie.
Maggie.
Anong niya? Nationality?
Parang Portuguese.
Portuguese.
I think
okay.
so.
Yung ex ni Lando, hindi ba Portuguese din?
Feeling ko may type si Lando. Kasi magkakamukha ang ano niya.
Ano ang pangalan?
Well,
Si
si
Luisa?
Leclerc din naman,
Si
may
Luisa.
type.
Si Leclerc,
Anyway.
yung tatlong ex niya, pare-pareho.
Ang itsura?
Yes.
Okay.
So, ayun
si
na,
Lando
serial wag na nga daw si Maggie. Kasi, girlfriend siya before, ex niya is football player. Sikat din na football player. I think, name niya is Joao. Ganyan.
Kasi
Tapos,
European League.
oo,
Siguro.
parang gano'n.
Oo.
Tapos,
Kasi parang bash si girl.
Oo, may cheating scandal siya. So,
Doon sa dati niyang
Sa
doon
ex
sa
niya.
football player na boyfriend niya, ex-boyfriend niya. Tapos,
so nag-cheat daw siya dun sa
With Lando?
rival. No.
Ano?
Yung rival nung ex niya.
So
Oh,
yung
yun.
rival Rival player, kabilang team. Oh,
Yes,
my God.
yun daw. Kaya, siguro hindi...
Allegedly, lagay mo.
Oo, allegedly, guys! Ito ay pawang chismis lang at walang katotohanan. Allegedly. Okay. So, yun. So, madami na silang dates ni Lando pero never sila nag-confirm.
Meron silang sightings,
yeah, until now. Kasi nung may first sighting sila, parang last year or something, ang dami ng comments na, oh, cheater yan si girl.
Paano naman naging serial? Nagkataon dalawa lang si Lando tsaka yung isa. So,
Bali tatlo kasi yung chinit yung
niya.
isa tao.
Professional one.
Talaga naman.
Professional.
Oo. So, yun. Yun na naman.
Yung
Yung
last-
last si Maggie.
Ano ba yung last race before summer break?
Oo.
Danalo si Lando dun yun. May kissing.
Oo, may
scene
kissing.
sila.
So
Ayan.
parang ginawa nilang official.
Yeah, hard launch nung race na yon.
F1 nga ang nag-official sa kanila kasi parang Lando's partner.
Ganun
A
talaga.
partner na, hindi girlfriend or anything.
Partner yung
Partner
basta-
lang yung ano ng F1.
Kilala niyo ba yung ex-girlfriend ni
Oo,
Lando?
si Luisa.
Oo.
Ah.
Cutie-cutie rin
Mag-go.
yun.
Cute din. Sexy din.
There you go!
There you go.
Chismis na ganyan.
memes and
What?
what aside,
There.
let's go for our deep dive this week.
Correct. Yes.
I wanted to get your thoughts on Lando versus Oscar's mental game. What do you think is going on in their minds with Lando losing massively last race, trailing 34 points kay Piastri, and Piastri parang biggest lead this championship, diba? So with 34 points.
I think Oscar will still go on. Kasi I think sa mga pinakita niya, his discipline is like talagang
Yeah,
up there.
He's consistent, but do you think he will play more cautiously? He's got more to lose. Parang it's his championship to lose. Parang mas magiging careful siya na hindi
Right.
siya mag-DNF. He won't risk it too much as opposed to Lando na ang layo na nila eh. He's gonna be the second. That's
Parang nothing to lose na siya.
Would
So,
would he have more risk in strategy, in his overtaking?
I think so.
Ganyan.
Pero hindi ba si Lando yung parang mas senior sa kanila?
Yes.
Hindi ba parang ang initial expectation is probably Lando would be number one and
Yes.
si Oscar
Pero number one naman talaga siya in terms of
Siya yung-
kay Zach Brown.
Siya yung
Anak din natin yan.
siya yung senior in terms of seniority sa team, si Lando.
Aha.
Pero in terms of age, hindi naman sila nagkakalayo sa
Hindi, ang point ko doon is, hindi ba mas mataas ang expectation kay Lando when the season started?
ng fans?
Yes.
Oo,
For how many years na
Ayun
rin?
nga.
Oo naman.
So what you're saying
It
is,
was-
dahil nga, madaming nangyari. Parang what you're saying is, nag-ano na siya, nag-give up na, like
No, what I'm saying is, kasi meron pa tayong how many races to do? 9 races, right? So, given that 34 points lead na si Oscar, right? Tapos meron pa pang 9 races, parang would Lando be more risk taker? Would he be more risk taker? Kasi siya yung naghahabol, siya yung hunter.
Feeling ko naman.
Siya yung hunter. So,
Ah,
he
okay.
needs to do more to get the win.
Ayun nga, so he has more to prove than Oscar.
Not more to prove. He's got nothing to lose because he will end up second for sure.
Oo.
Masyado
okay.
nang malayo si Max.
But he will do everything in his power. Like, would he do some tactics like, kunyari leading siya sa race, tapos sasadyain niyang bumagal para si Oscar hindi mag-finish second, para maabutan siya kung sino man yung kasunod ni Oscar, yung gano'n. Kasi kailangan,
Parang masyado ng technical.
kasi para manalo si Lando.
Mindset lang.
Para manalo si si Lando, hindi pwedeng 1-2 sila lagi ni Oscar. Kailangan 1 siya or si Oscar 3, 4, 5 or DNF, diba? So, mas mag-employ ba siya ng game tactics na ganyan?
Oo.
Para,
Feeling ko naman.
Para talagang masira niya yung game ni Oscar. Pwedeng kagaya ng ginawa ni Carlos nung sa Singapore, di ba? Parang tinulungan niya si Lando para hindi siya parang gano'n, yung parang babagal, kukusa siyang bagal para may ibang maka-overtake kay Oscar, para hindi si Oscar yung number 2, yung gano'n.
Parang, sorry,
mas magre-risk ba si Lando in terms of strategy?
Kasi overtaking, or kagaya ng ginawa ni Max nung sila ni Lewis, yung super close, yung di bali nang bumangga silang dalawa, hindi sila matapos dalawa.
Towards Oscar, is that what we're trying?
Oo.
I hope not.
It's
not a good look. It's not a good look.
It's not a good look, but I feel like
feeling ko ganun yung
papayagan ba yun
that's what it means. It's not papaya rules. Kasi they have to race clean.
Correct.
Pero gusto kong makita yung ganung drive kay Lando.
At the expense of Oscar?
Oh! Kasi, eto, kaya
Ginajudge niya na yung morals mo.
Hindi.
Kasi that's what, kaya ako na naging super interested sa F1. Kasi iba siya sa lahat ng sport. It's the only sport that it's a team game. May team dynamics. May teammate ka, pero you have to beat your teammate. Diba? Kasi yun yung pinaka...
I don't mind the competition, pero ang...
It's clean. You want it clean.
Exactly, yun yung point ko.
Yes.
Pero yung kailangan magbanggaan na nila, wag lang tayo
Dapat
manalo.
makita niya yung Max and Lewis era.
Pati ginawa din ni Max kay Lando yun last year.
Pero they're all different.
Tapos
Pero
wala siyang pakialam na si Leclerc yung manalo. Babanggiin niya, parang basta hindi si Lando yung manalo. Kasi si Lando yung competition niya sa
magkaibang team yun eh.
Yun nga. Mas complicated. Kasi
Correct.
pareha silang
Ngayon, siguro may mga na sila, like, usapan na, huwag kayong magbabanggaan.
Meron
Kasi at the
naman.
end of the day,
Pero
team
kung,
pa rin to.
Mas exciting kung meron.
Ayun naman pala, ito kaya yung i-unpack namin.
Correct. Okay lang.
Pero kasi inisip ko, si Oscar,
They have an image to...
I know,
ano
yung
yun?
mga sponsors din
correct.
yan. Pero kung si Oscar, at the opposite end, si Oscar ba, mas magiging careful ba siya?
I think he's gonna keep on doing what he's doing.
Exactly,
Like,
I think...
head down,
Correct.
focus on my
Tsaka
race.
siya kasi yung mas aggressive between Lando and siya yung nag-elbow.
I think nothing
si
will
Oscar.
change for Oscar.
So, do you think he's not gonna drive carefully?
No, I don't think
more
so.
cautiously?
No. Kasi may 9 races pa rin eh.
It can swing anyway.
Correct.
At saka knowing him for the past like races, parang wala naman talaga siyang like...
Hindi nung yung huling race before the break, di ba si Leclerc yung leading noon? Tapos tinatanong siya kung anong gusto niyang strategy. Parang I don't really care about Leclerc. I want the best strategy for me to beat Lando.
Totoo
Sino to? Si
naman.
Oscar.
Kasi
Si Oscar.
1 and 2 sila ni Lando
Oo.
So it's only
Yun
fair
nga.
na sabihin niya yun. So yun
Kay-
nga yung priority niya.
Oo.
Pero, I think he's just gonna keep doing what he's doing.
Exactly. So, I mean...
Iba yung discipline niya talaga eh. I would
Si
say
Oscar
si
to.
Oscar, yeah.
We'll see!
We'll see! Ayun na nga yun.
Diba?
What do you think?
Correct. What do
Oo
you guys
nga.
think?
Ang hirap makipaglaban as an only Oscar fan dito, guys, ha?
Hindi, ako...
Oscar
hindi,
versus Lando.
Ako, kung ano yung makakapag-pa-exciting. I don't mind
At
who.
si Ate Bena ay clean racing.
Correct. Clean racing.
above all.
Which is, I think, Lando's.
I mean, safe.
Safe racing. Oo.
Safe but exciting.
Correct.
Is
Yeah.
what I'm hoping.
If he has to overtake.
Ganyan.
Cleanly. Cleanly. Pero,
Oh,
okay. So, ayan. We've got, so, Next episode is the
next race.
Next race.
Tonight,
Monza.
there's the qualifying. And then tomorrow night is the race. So,
And then,
ano ba? Manonood ba kayo?
Magsosolo ka na naman.
Walang approval.
Bigla na lang nag-upload.
Let's discuss the elephant in the room.
F1 in the
magsosolo?
So guys, meron pala siyang sariling segment.
Exactly.
So tatlo na yung segment namin.
Correct.
JM in the Dark.
Fun in the dark. You're free naman to join me. Ako na naman ang tsatsaga.
In fairness, talaga naman, siya lang ang matyaga. Nagulat lang kami.
Okay.
I mean,
May post siya, okay.
Abangan. I
For
will
sure,
watch.
meron F1 in the Dark, guys.
Yes,
abangan
because
niyo
it's
siya.
Monza. It's a Ferrari home race. So,
Yeah.
please watch.
Our next episode.
My own episode.
No, her own episode.
Of F1
Her
in
own
the dark.
segment.
Her own
Ang dami
segment.
nating segment.
Correct. That's it, guys. Thank you.
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Grandstand Gossip. Good night.
Good night.